Hey everybody, it's Mr.Canadian and Amtrak train 350 is departing from Battle Creek at 11:32 a.m. from the train station on Friday, June the 26th, 2026. And his next destination is going to be Jackson, Michigan. So he just departing from Battle Creek. No horn salute today from this guy. This engine needs a wash. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me. And if you did, go thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also do me a favor. Hit that notification bell whenever I upload. You'll be notified about it. But this was filmed on Friday, June the 26th, 2026. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canadian. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.